When we talk about rational numbers, we're talking about whole numbers, like this. We're talking about fractions, whatever. We're talking about decimals. We're talking about square roots of perfect squares. And they just put them in one big lump and they call them rational numbers. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to add and subtract rational numbers when the numbers are fractions. All right, so for example, if I have, first of all, let me show you. If I have, 1 over 3 plus 7 over 3, my denominator is the same. They're the same. Therefore, I can just add this together and I have 8 over 3. Okay? But if I have two numbers where the denominators are different, then that's not so easy. If I have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3, now the denominators are different and I have to change them before I can add them. So I multiply these two numbers together. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to put this little 6 out to the side here. Actually, I'll put it out to the side here. And I say to myself, how many times will 2 fit into 6 or divide into 6? And of course, it's 3. Then I go 3 times 1 is 3. So now I have 3 over 6. Plus, again, my bottom number is going to be 6. I'll just put it down there. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, my denominators are the same, and I can add these top ones together, so it's going to be 7 over 6. All right, but what if we have a number that has a bunch of variables in it? For example, if I have negative 5x divided by x minus 5, whatever, minus negative 2x over x minus 5. All right, so let's first of all look at the denominators and see if we're safe. X minus 5, x minus 5. Okay, that's cool. They're the same. Therefore, we don't have to worry about anything else, actually. As a matter of fact, that bottom number is going to be x minus 5. Okay. All right, the next thing is I'm going to look at these two negative signs. Remember, when I have two negative signs side by side, they just turn into one great big old giant plus. The negative signs have to be literally side by side. All right, so now I have negative 5 plus 2. It'll be negative 3. Negative 3 what? Negative 3x. So even though it looks weird, that's my answer. Here's another one. You can notice right away that the denominators are the same. Therefore, my denominator is going to be x. Hey, by the way, it's not going to be 2x. I'm not adding these numbers. I'm not adding the x's. I'm just putting down what it says. Okay, so now I'm just going to do what it says up top, and it says 6 plus 5, 11. The answer is 11x.